So it is December. Let's bring in some holiday cheer. The Sasaki roundabout is fully decorated in celebration of the holidays. But this area will be an attraction for longer than just a few months.
Extremely nice event. I'm very proud that our students were able to come in here and do this beautiful decoration in commemorating the Christmas holidays. I think this is going to be here till the end of the year, and after that we are going to be adopting this particular roundabout. It's going to be the Xavier roundabout in Aruba, and we are going to maintain it. And in the years to come, you'll probably find this is going to be one of the most beautiful places in Aruba people are going to be looking at.
The Sasaki roundabout is one of the biggest on the island. A lot of manpower and decorations were required to complete the project.
Okay, we've actually been working on this roundabout for a couple of months now because we basically started building on our own. So we were taking apart wood, and all our students have helped us a lot through this whole process. And then starting last week, we actually came here, we started building trees. So all the trees that you see here, they're built by our students. All the presents that you see here are built by our students, and everyone did an amazing job and helped out a lot.
The student says the beauty of this roundabout project is that every student from different countries, background, and religion came together with one goal in mind, and that is to spread the holiday spirit.
We want everyone to be a part of this. Everyone that drives around this roundabout, we want them to appreciate all the things that we've done. It looks beautiful, and of course all our students come from different parts of the world, so not everyone is one religion or another, but we all come together and celebrate Christmas.
A team effort is required to put something of this magnitude together.
All the students have participated in one way or another. A lot of them have started preparing these decorations for the last month. They've been doing it in our school, and it's only this last 2 weeks where they started putting this here one by one. So it's a collective effort of all the students of this school.
Try not to slow traffic down, but take a closer look the next time you pass by any roundabout. By this time this year, these areas should all be decorated and spreading holiday cheer. We'll be right back. Stay with us.